Very good morning. This is Akshay Bharadwaj from Team Caffeinated Coders. We are very excited to participate in the 24-hour hackathon. We've been given three problem statements, out of which we've chosen a very interesting topic called a chatbot. So, what exactly is a chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate human conversation or chatter through text, voice interactions. There are various uses for a chatbot, like better customer care, chatting with a bot casually for time pass or stuff. It is possible to use a chatbot 24/7. Many businesses use chatbots to enhance their rapport among the consumers, help boost their services as well as help boost their service team productivity. The problem with chatbots is that there are multiple chatbots available today in the world, but they're not very reliable or relevant. For example, a tech impaired person may not be able to converse easily with a chatbot to get relevant information. Since we are making a menu based chatbot, it is not able to adapt and give various answers according to the questions users may have, and this can only be slightly overcome by thinking of various questions, problems, or trouble a user may have doubts on in the process of admission based on the information in the college website. So the challenge components we've been given today was design a simple chatbot that can guide students and parents on the college admission process. The input can be in the form of a text to speech. The chatbot should be able to answer questions related to admission process of the college. So basically, our aim is that creation of a chatbot that can answer basic questions related on the admission process of VIT Chennai. So basically, this chatbot redirects users to an appropriate site or person to contact if the chatbot's response are inadequate or not sufficient for the user. It also allows the user to chat with the bot with ease and clear as many doubts as possible without any restrictions or time constraints. And It also ensures ease of access to edit responses in the chat box in case of error or change. So basically, now I will be showing our outcome of the code. Basically, we've used HTML and also CSS to design the front end part. Let me like open this. Basically, this is the home part. In the home, as you can see, it says welcome to Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai campus. It says list of courses over here. We've also mentioned the address of the college, which will make the parents and students easy to reach the college. If you click, a Google Map link also opens. So here you have a chat with us option and a box called click here. So when you click here, it opens my friendly bot. It says, "Hi, I'm VIT bot. How can I help you today?" So here the parent or the student or the person gives an input saying, "Hi, I need the fees. I want to take an admission." So accordingly, the bot replies. So now I will be showing the code we have written to get this output. So as you can see, we've used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, we've integrated PyScript, and also we've integrated this with Python. This is the one which you're seeing currently is for the main page, and this is for the bot page. We've actually hyperlinked using HTML and CSS. I've hyperlinked this to that page. So when you click that, it takes you to this page. And also in this page, mainly we've used Python and PyScript in the backend, but in the front end, we've used HTML and CSS. For a better user experience too. Coming to the Python part, now I'll be showing you the Python code which we have used. I've named it as app. So it opens in VS Code. We've used Chatterbot Corpus and Flask and Spacey modules and libraries, which has eased our work. So you can see the code. We've written different things, and also next comes the special part of our bot. So it is English. So you might think what English is. So English is basically like we have taught the bot to learn on itself. Like the bot can learn things on itself, and also basically it's like the concept of Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, as you guys know. So it is a very advanced bot. Like it is on the level of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So basically, the more you use the bot, the better it gets, and the better user experience it gets, and the better outcome it gives. So next comes PyCatch. So what is PyCatch? A PyCatch is like the command prompt for the code which we have written, which allows the code to run in the background. So next comes train. So this is another special part of the code. It is a very short and sweet code. We've written imported from Chatbot, and also we've imported pathlib, so which actually, like, this one trains the bot. It's basically like AI, so it learns on itself. And also next comes another program which we have written, which is again interesting and makes a bot very unique. So basically, when the user gives an input, he might want output in his desired language. So we've even given that. So here in this code, you can see we've used import statement, import web browser, and import OS. We used while statement, print statements, also like we've used elif, else, etc., and also break statements in between. Also, you can see the inputs are in English, but the output can be bought in the desired language of the user based on his. It can detect the language on its own, like it can detect Hindi, Telugu, English, Malayalam, etc., on its own. So we've developed this on our own. As you can see, the code is in front of you. So next comes so this was our project. So basically, even though we were an amateur coder, we tried our level best in developing the desired outcome. Although we might not be so successful in achieving the outcome which the judges or the conducting committee has asked us, we've learned a lot. Like me, Akshay, my teammate Ashfaq, and my teammate Austin have worked in a team, and I have worked on the front end. My friends have worked on the back end part. We've also worked on the refined user experience, also a smoother UI, which allows the user to stay on the website for more time, and it is more pleasing for him, allowing advantage to the college. So basically, we were able to understand different problems, but the what was setback was by the errors in the program which we could not figure out. But we are very sure that we have learned a lot of stuff, and the outcome is very nice and golden, and we would surely come out with flying colors in the next event. I would like to thank VIT, and also VIT, for this opportunity. Like, 24 hours is a very long time, so we've learned a lot, and also we have understood what we lack and where we need to put more efforts in. So thank you. This is Akshay, and I'm signing off.